In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom header for your Wix website. Customizing your website header is a fantastic way to ensure your site stands out and reflects your personal or business brand. We'll take you through the steps you need to follow to achieve this easily and efficiently. First off, you'll want to kick things off by heading over to your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Setup area. This is where you can manage your site settings and prepare for the customization process. This initial step is crucial because it lays the groundwork for the changes we're about to make. Now, when you're on your dashboard, you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open the Wix editor in a new tab, providing you with all the tools you need to modify your site. This is where the magic happens, so it's important to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. Once you're in the Wix editor, direct your attention to the header area of your website. Your header is a prominent area as it typically contains your site's navigation menu, branding, and other important information. Click directly on the header. This will activate the editing options specific to that section of your website. Next, a menu should appear, presenting you with several options. Look for Quick Edit. What Quick Edit does is provide you an easy, user-friendly way to change the look and features of your header without getting into more complex settings. So click on Quick Edit, and you'll be taken to a menu with various design options. Now here's where you can get creative. You'll notice different options become available, allowing you to adjust everything from colors and fonts to images and spacing. Feel free to explore these options and make the necessary changes to align with your vision and brand aesthetic. If you're uncertain about a particular design choice, don't worry. Wix makes it simple to try out different options and see what looks best. It's always a good idea to keep your brand colors consistent and ensure that the text is clear and readable. After you're satisfied with the adjustments you've made, the final step is to save all your hard work. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the editor, and click on it. Saving your changes ensures that everything you've customized is safely stored and will be visible when you publish your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom header for your Wix website. Customizing your header not only enhances your site's appearance, but also provides a more personalized experience for your visitors. We hope this walkthrough helped you understand the process. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and happy designing!